New functionality inside of HighLevel is allowing you to sync your Gmail accounts with full two-way sync, logging emails back and forth, whether you send them inside of HighLevel or inside of Gmail. This plus new collective calendar booking functionality that I'll explain in a minute, coming right up in this week's GHL Weekly Breakdown. Hey, what's up, guys? It's Michael McAllister with another GHL Weekly Breakdown. We've got a couple updates from Go HighLevel this week. They just came back from their developers offsite conference, so we had no update last week and only a couple this week, but the ones that they've announced are really cool. The first feature that we have, the new update, is full two-way sync functionality with Gmail. So if you have Gmail, Outlook, this is supported as well. However, it's not quite as robust. If you have Gmail and you're using G Suite in your mortgage business, you now have the ability to set up two-way sync. It's really easy, and Gmail is automatically going to identify when you send an email out. If that contact exists in HighLevel, it will log the email in your HighLevel account. This is going to do the same thing whether you send emails out to your contacts from Gmail or from HighLevel. Either way, they're going to show up in your conversation view. So this is a really cool feature. We have it in Zoho CRM right now, so we know what this is like. This is really cool to be able to see all communications taking place between your team and your contacts in one centralized location. All right, so check it out. Setting this up is actually really easy. You're going to go to your profile in your settings, and you're going to go to email two-way sync and connect your email provider right here. For a lot of you guys that work for lenders that use Outlook, they're going to have permissions that are restricted. So you see Outlook here, give it a shot. You might be able to set up that two-way sync. You might not have the permissions necessary to do so. However, if you're a broker or you work for a lender that's using G Suite, this is much easier. And again, the experience is really smooth. And you're just going to come in here, click Gmail, click connect, and you're going to follow the steps that it takes in there. You're going to have to allow pop-ups, sign in from here, really easy. All right, next up, we have a new feature called collective calendar booking. This is a really cool feature that's going to allow you to reference multiple team members' availability at one time with one calendar link. So think of this like a joint sales call potentially, or maybe a joint call between you, an agent, and a borrower. And you need to be able to reference your availability plus your agent's availability. Or maybe it's a meeting with your loan partner and a client, or a meeting with a processor and a client, a three-way phone call, whatever it is, collective availability. So no more having to coordinate back and forth based on your availability. Go back, check, hey, is this person available also? As long as they're a user inside of your HighLevel account, you can set up a calendar that's going to reference both of their availability or 3, 4, 5 team members' availability. Check it out. All right, so we're going to start in calendars. We're going to click on create calendar, and then you're going to see a fourth option in your scheduling type here called collective booking. So when you select this, you'll see a new capability, which is the ability to add multiple team members to this list. This is automatically going to reference whatever calendar they have synced to their profile within their settings. It's automatically going to reference that calendar for availability in addition to whatever other team members are on this list. So really cool functionality, something that we for sure are going to use. I listed a couple potential use cases for loan officers. Let me know if you come up with any other ideas or if you start using it right away. I'd love to hear about it. All right, guys, that's it for this week's weekly breakdown. Only a couple major updates. There weren't really even any in-between updates or any minor updates. It was kind of a slow week. Like I said, I think they're coming back from that developers offsite. We're expecting to see a big update next week, so stay tuned. Join us for Tuesday's weekly Zoom room on Tuesday at 11 o'clock Mountain Time, as well as staying tuned for next week's weekly breakdown. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you at the top.